and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The Don Bosco Technical Institute DBTI in Morocco, Port Moresby, celebrated the Day of Families on 7th of September. The day began with an artistic performance by East New Britain students dressed in traditional clothes who danced and led the celebrations from the stage. Then after the welcome prayer led by Sister Carmencita Rodriguez, the guests were warmly welcomed. Subsequently, Father Roger Miranda, director of DBTI, reminded the families present of the importance of devotion and commitment in family relationships. Immediately afterwards, those present gathered in groups to discuss and reflect on the role of the family. The celebration continued with dances and games before the final speech given by Father Ariel Magatange, president of DBTI. In conclusion, the winner of the competition for the creation of the DBTI Silver Jubilee poster for 2024 was awarded, and after other awards were given for some academic, commercial and sports competitions. Father Hugo Orozco, Counselor for the Inter-America region, began the extraordinary visitation to the Salesian province of the Assumption, Paraguay, PAR, conducted on behalf of the Rector Major. The first appointment was a meeting with Father Mario Villalba, PAR Provincial, and the Provincial Council, during which Father Orozco presented the guidelines and objectives of the 3-month visit to the Salesian presence in Paraguay. In addition, Father Orozco, on behalf of the Rector Major, extended his greetings to the entire PAR province and shared the guidelines for the 28th General Chapter and the path being followed by the Salesian congregation. Afterwards, there was a personal dialogue between the regional councillor and the provincial. Also on the first day, Father Orozco presided over the Eucharistic celebration at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, and during the Mass, he addressed the parishioners and representatives of the Salesian family, pointing out the importance of giving thanks to God for the vocation to life and for the call to be children of God through baptism, and at the same time, he emphasized the importance of living the Salesian option in the style of Don Bosco through love and dedication. On Saturday, 9 September, at the Salesian work in Sio, renewed in its structure after extensive renovation work, all the Salesians of the Salesian St. Mark's province of Northeast Italy, INE, gathered to experience a morning of fraternity, formation and prayer. On this occasion, they were accompanied by Father Francesco Morcosio, former Vice Provincial of the Salesian ICC province, and most recently the Rector of the Sacred Heart work in Rome, now the congregation's headquarters. His address, entitled Salesian Pastors Today, together with the laity, Treasure of Things New and Old, sought to revive the desire for God inherent in consecrated persons to be formed according to the Eucharistic face of Christ. Quoting precious texts from the Petrine Magisterium, as well as his own Salesian ones, and with several references to his personal Salesian life, he was able to offer a clear, profound and enlightening intervention. After brief communications concerning province life and a relaxed moment of fraternity, the Eucharist was celebrated, in which 4 young Salesians in formation renewed their temporary vows. On 5th September, at the Salesian Don Bosco Center, the day for councils of schools-based educative and pastoral communities, EPCs, vocational education and training and higher technical institutes, ITS, was celebrated, bringing together 250 rectors, headmasters, vice principals, catechists and counselors and other figures who animate Salesian schools in the Lombardo-Emilian province in Italy, ILE. Father Roberto Dalmolin, ILE Provincial, introduced the day with an address in which he recalled that the EPC councils are a choice that implements the perspective of synodality and fraternity. This pastoral year, moreover, the Provincial said, marks the 200th anniversary of the dream at 9 years of age, which thus invites us to stop to form ourselves and reflect on the charism. To this end, Father Dalmolin added, the workbook You See Further Than Me was distributed so that the Salesian charism may be increasingly rooted and consciously taken on as a guiding creation for our work. Father Stefano Perogin, SDB, the rector of the Salesian House in Santa Maria la Longa near Udine, then spoke and gave a testimony highlighting 3 main themes: passion for education, Poor and Abandoned Young People, the Educational Pact. Then, during the celebration of the Mass, Father Dal Molen invoked two special gifts: listening to what the Lord has to say and knowing how to speak authentic words. Finally, in the afternoon, in-depth group work on topics discussed took place, with addresses by Father Edardo Goccini, Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, and Father Stefano Marcezzini. The extraordinary visitation to the province of India, Panjim, carried out on behalf of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, by Father Gianni Ronaldi, SDB, ended on 10th of September. Of particular relevance was Father Rolandi's meeting with the faithful St. Francis Xavier Parish in the district of Tuam, during which he talked about the dream Don Bosco had when he was 9 years old. It was an opportunity to remind those present that this was not only Don Bosco's dream, but everyone's dream. Father Rolandi urged us to continue dreaming together with Don Bosco, taking care of the needs of those around us. Then he thanked the Salesians for the good work done in 2M before attending a show in which the life of Don Bosco was narrated through shadow plays and performances in some popular dances by children attending catechism classes. Finally, before concluding the visit, Father Rolandi went to Our Lady of the Rosary Church in Vaidongor, thanking the Salesians for their collaboration and commitment. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.